Money lessons start early, and teaching children about earning can shape their future financial habits. When kids learn to earn their own money, they develop essential life skills like responsibility, work ethic, and smart money management. These experiences help them understand the connection between effort and reward while building their confidence. Every child has unique interests and abilities that can turn into money-making opportunities. The activities in this guide are suitable for different age groups and skill levels, with options for kids of all interests, those who love crafts, animals, the outdoors, or helping around the house. Each idea teaches valuable skills and gives parents a chance to help their kids succeed. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Lemonade Stand. The lemonade stand is a classic way for kids to learn about earning money while having fun. Setting up a small table with homemade lemonade can be an exciting weekend or summer activity in neighborhoods or at local events. With simple supplies and a catchy sign, kids can attract customers and learn how to interact confidently with others. Kids can earn around $20 to $50 in a single day. Parents can help with basic supplies and guide them on setting prices to cover costs and still make a profit. This activity not only teaches sales skills, but also lets kids be creative with flavors, signage, and even decorating their stand. Number 2. Bake Sale. For kids who love to bake or create in the kitchen, a bake sale is a sweet way to make extra cash. They can sell cookies, brownies, cupcakes, or even healthier treats, offering them to neighbors, family friends, or at school or community events. Kids can earn between $30 and $75 per bake sale event. Parents can assist with the baking process and show kids how to handle food safely and set fair prices. Adding decorative touches or unique flavors can make the bake sale a memorable experience and attract more customers. Number 3. Pet sitting and dog walking. Kids who enjoy spending time with animals might find pet sitting and dog walking a natural fit. Pet sitting often includes feeding, watering, and sometimes playing with a neighbor's pet, while dog walking lets kids help keep local pets active and healthy. These jobs are usually needed on weekends, holidays, or when pet owners are busy. Typical earnings range from $10 to $20 per pet per day. Parents can ensure kids are prepared for these tasks by teaching them pet handling basics and providing supervision if needed, especially with larger or energetic animals. Number 4. Selling handmade crafts. Kids who are crafty can make and sell items like jewelry, bookmarks, or decorated rocks to family members, neighbors, or at local fairs. This activity encourages creativity and can help kids discover a potential talent for art and design. They can typically sell items for $5 to $25 each. Parents can guide kids on setting prices that reflect the time and materials used. They can also help find suitable places to sell their crafts, such as community markets or online platforms with parental support. Number 5. Recycling for cash. Recycling offers kids a simple way to earn while also learning about environmental responsibility. They can collect recyclable materials such as aluminum cans or glass bottles and turn them in for cash at recycling centers. Kids earn around 5 cents to 10 cents per item, which adds up if they gather enough materials. Parents can teach kids how to sort recyclables properly and encourage them to look around the house or ask neighbors for items they can recycle. This job shows kids how small actions can make a difference and earn them extra spending money at the same time. Number 6. Lawn mowing and yard work. For kids who like being outdoors, yard work such as mowing lawns, weeding, or raking leaves can be a good way to earn some cash. These jobs are simple enough for kids and give them a sense of accomplishment once they see the finished result. Kids can make around $15 to $30 per lawn, which is great for a few hours of work. Parents should ensure that kids can use any equipment safely or provide supervision, especially for younger children. This type of job helps build a work ethic while offering a clear and rewarding result. Number 7. Car washing. Car washing is a straightforward job that can be done on weekends or after school, allowing kids to work on family cars or offer their services to neighbors. With some soap, water, and a sponge, kids can set up a mini car wash in the driveway and earn around $10 to $20 per car. This job teaches kids to pay attention to detail as they learn the steps of thoroughly washing a car. Parents can help set up a workspace and show kids the best techniques, reminding them to be careful around delicate parts of the car. Number 8. House cleaning help. Kids can offer light house cleaning services to neighbors or family, such as dusting, organizing, or sweeping. House cleaning work can earn them around $10 to $20 per hour and teaches them the importance of neatness and attention to detail. Parents can guide kids on safe cleaning techniques and set boundaries on which tasks are appropriate. Light house cleaning can be a good first job, giving kids a sense of independence as they help others while learning valuable home care skills. Number 9. Tutoring younger kids. For kids who excel in a particular subject, tutoring younger children can be a productive way to earn money while reinforcing their own knowledge. Tutoring sessions can be as simple as helping with reading, math, or basic science. Kids can earn around $10 to $15 per hour. Parents can help arrange sessions with family friends or neighbors and ensure that tutoring sessions are kept short and focused to keep things enjoyable. This job helps build confidence, responsibility, and solid communication skills. Number 10. Running errands for neighbors. Running small errands is an easy way for kids to lend a hand to neighbors while making some money. Tasks might include picking up groceries, collecting mail, or other light responsibilities for those who need an extra hand, especially elderly neighbors. For each errand, kids can earn around $5 to $10. Parents should set safe guidelines for which errands are appropriate and provide supervision when needed, especially if errands involve handling money. This job allows kids to develop reliability and understand the value of helping their community. Number 11. Selling old toys or clothes. Selling gently used toys, books, or clothes teaches kids about the benefits of decluttering and recycling items for others to use. Kids can organize a yard sale or set up a table to display their items for sale at local events. They can typically earn between $1 and $10 per item. Parents can help with pricing, organizing the sale, and making sure kids handle transactions responsibly. This activity encourages kids to make thoughtful decisions about their belongings while earning a small profit. Number 12. Growing and selling plants. Kids with an interest in gardening can grow small plants, flowers, or herbs and sell them to neighbors or at local markets. This activity lets them experience the full process, from planting seeds to nurturing the plants until they are ready for sale. Each plant can be sold for around $3 to $10. Parents can guide kids on the basics of plant care, including watering, sunlight, and the patience it takes for plants to grow. This hands-on job teaches responsibility and an appreciation for nature while providing an income. Number 13. Making and selling greeting cards. Creating and selling handmade greeting cards allows kids to express their creativity in a way that brings joy to others. Kids can make cards for special occasions like birthdays, holidays, or thank yous, and sell them to friends, family, or at school events. Each card can sell for $1 to $5. Parents can help with supplies like markers, paper, and stickers, and provide encouragement for kids to experiment with different designs. This activity gives kids a chance to learn about design, patience, and pride in creating something original. Number 14. Snow shoveling. In colder areas, snow shoveling can be a great seasonal job that helps neighbors while providing kids with a physical activity. Kids can offer to shovel driveways or walkways after a snowfall and typically earn $10 to $30 per job. Parents can make sure kids are equipped with the right tools, dress warmly, and take breaks if they're shoveling for extended periods. Snow shoveling teaches kids to be reliable and careful while providing a much-needed service to the community. Number 15. Online surveys for older teens. Some sites allow teens aged 13 and older to complete online surveys for small cash rewards or gift cards. Kids can expect to earn between 50 cents and $5 per survey. Parents should help kids find reputable survey sites and discuss online privacy and safety. Completing surveys is a convenient way for teens to earn money in their spare time and can help them learn to budget smaller earnings over time. This activity provides a low-effort way to earn while learning about online safety. Number 16. Digital artwork or graphic design. For kids with an interest in art and technology, digital artwork or graphic design can be a rewarding way to earn money. Kids can create logos, social media graphics, or digital drawings and offer them to family or friends who need help with small design projects. Each project can earn them between $5 and $20. Parents can assist with setting up a safe way to share work and handle payments. This activity teaches valuable digital skills and provides a sense of accomplishment as kids see their creations appreciated. Number 17. Photography for family and friends. Kids who enjoy photography can offer their services for small events or family photo sessions. With a basic camera, they can photograph family gatherings, birthday parties, or even pets. A session can earn them between $10 and $30. Parents can guide them on how to use the camera settings and provide tips for capturing good quality images. Photography allows kids to develop an eye for detail and lets them practice patience while working to capture the perfect shot. Number 18. Starting a kid's YouTube channel or blog. Kids can create a YouTube channel or blog to share their hobbies, such as gaming, art, or book reviews. They can earn income through ads, though earnings vary widely based on popularity. Parents should supervise content creation, review online safety guidelines, and ensure that the content is appropriate. This option allows kids to build creativity and develop communication skills. They can also learn the basics of video editing or writing, making it both a valuable learning experience and a potential source of income. Number 19. Working at a local farm stand or farmer's market. For kids in farming communities or near local markets, working at a farm stand can be a unique opportunity to earn money while learning about fresh produce and community interaction. Kids can earn between $10 and $15 per hour, helping to sell fruits, vegetables, or handmade goods. Parents can arrange suitable opportunities and guide kids on customer service skills. This job introduces kids to the process of selling local goods and gives them a sense of involvement in their community. Number 20. Teaching or coaching a skill. Kids with skills in sports, dance, music, or art can offer basic lessons or coaching to younger kids. Teaching sessions could involve leading a small dance class, giving soccer tips, or showing basic drawing techniques. Each session could earn around $10 to $20. Parents can help organize a small group of younger kids and ensure sessions are safe and engaging. Teaching builds leadership skills and confidence as kids share what they know with others. Number 21. Holiday gift wrapping. During the holiday season, kids with an eye for detail can offer gift wrapping services for family, friends, and neighbors. This job allows them to be creative and festive while providing a valuable service during a busy time of year. Kids can earn around $1 to $5 per package. Parents can help gather wrapping supplies and encourage kids to practice neatness and creativity in their wrapping. Gift wrapping is a simple yet rewarding job that teaches kids to be precise and brings a little extra cheer to the holidays. Smart kids, smart money. Taking action. Set your children up for success with these money-making activities. Start small and guide them through each new venture. Watch them gain confidence as they learn to price their services, handle customer interactions, and manage their earnings. Remember to prioritize safety and supervise younger children during their money-making adventures. Teaching kids about earning money creates valuable life lessons that last well into adulthood. When children understand the connection between work and rewards, they develop stronger financial habits. Celebrate their successes, help them learn through challenges, and encourage their entrepreneurial spirit. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.